Today we thought it would be really fun if we did some kind of after PSSA treat for our students. We decided that we would go and do this magician who's going to surprise us and wow us, so we're really excited about that. The kids worked so hard with the PSSAs, and even our younger grades did such a nice job, like giving everybody a nice testing environment. We're not telling the students, like before he goes on, that he is in fact deaf. And that kind of goes with our theme for the year of, adversity, resilience, and, just, embracing differences.
I'm deaf. That means I can't hear nothing. Zip zero. My ears don't work.
Being deaf, that's what makes the show different than any other show. But even before I went deaf, I had strived to make a show that would be for the teachers and the students. I wanted everyone to be involved. And I also always wanted to send a positive message. But when I lost my hearing, that kind of changed everything for me, and realized that you have two choices in life: give up or give it all you got. And once I adapted that and realized that I've had the wrong attitude, and I changed that, the message even changed my show, and it's become much more inspirational. And I love inspiring the kids and showing them that when you believe in yourself, you'll discover the magic to succeed is already inside each and every one of us. I actually didn't start with magic. I was at my uncle's house, and walking past one of the rooms, he had a friend over who was a retired Barnum & Bailey clown, and he was juggling. And it's one of those moments where you're walking past, and when I graduated high school, I had an opportunity to tour with the third largest touring luge show in the United States. And when I went out and did that, and for 2 years, I came home and I said, that's it. I want to be a magician for the rest of my life. I want to be able to make people feel that what I felt when I saw those magic tricks, that wow moments, that did not just happen.
I like the part when he pulled the birds out. I like the part when he made fire go everywhere, I guess.
Mine had to be the talk. It was really inspiring and it just warm. It was really nice.
That respect everybody of what they are, if they're blind, if they're deaf, if they can't walk, if they can't run. Always respect of what they can't do and what they can do.
We can all work together and send a positive message out, as I say on the show, spreading the magic of kindness. We can do that, and that's what I want to do. I want to spread the magic of kindness to as many people as I possibly can. I want to be able to share my story, and I want kids to get up and walk out of here and realize they have the power to make a change.